how to fix Steam achievements not unlocking. So if you want to fix your Steam achievements not unlocking, then just watch this video. So this usually happens because your Steam client is not properly synced, or if your game files are corrupted. Sometimes small glitches or hidden settings stop achievements from registering. First, what you need to do is verify your game files. So you need to open up your Steam and then go with your library and right click on the game that you're facing the problem with and go with properties. From the properties, you need to go with your local files and verify integrity of game files. Wait for the process to finish. Corrupted or missing files often block achievements. Or if that doesn't work, then the second step is to enable Steam Cloud and online mode. In Steam, you can go with your Steam settings and then Cloud and enable Steam Cloud synchronization. If it is checked, you need to make sure that Steam is online, not in offline mode. Achievement won't unlock offline for most games. If that still doesn't work, then you just need to simply go and restart your Steam and game. And the last solution is to shut down your device completely and then restart. And after that, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.